Alisha. Okay, we're here. It's tired. You had a long night. Zozo, do you want to say hi to YouTube?
Hi to
Don't touch. You're going to show them what you have on your arms? That's where her IV is. And then we have her band.
the necklace, like a necklace.
It's a bracelet.
Bracelet. Like a bracelet. And I'm touching you. I'm touching you. I'm touching you. I'm touching you. No. No. Yeah. I'm gonna go potty.
Are you a robot?
Yes.
Yourself?
Are you filming? Oh, hey, you're gonna check.
I can draw everyone in this. No, you can draw everyone on this. So look at this thing.
He put that whole thing in his mouth. I forgot about you. I do that a lot. Sorry. We're off to go get our car.
Alright, now what?
You just stay right here. Oh no, it doesn't come up with the next direction yet. Just says 75 north.
In a quarter mile, keep left and follow signs for I-75 North Marietta, Chattanooga.
Fine.
So we've been in the car for the last 5.5 hours, and we're heading back to Georgia to go pick up another Tribeca. Hopefully, pick up another Tribeca.
I mean, hopefully.
Hopefully it's what it is. There's still chances.
Continue on I-75 North for 8 miles.
But it's a really good deal. It's kind of crazy. It has 1,000 miles on it.
1,053.
1,053. The car has barely been on pavement. So, yeah, the kids are back at our house with Nana and Papa. They came in last night. So they're with them, hanging out for today. And we have about 15 minutes until we're there. So we're pretty eager to see the car. It's a 7-passenger, which is good because my old Tribeca was only a 5. And it's exactly what we wanted originally when we bought the Tribeca, the color, the interior. So we're excited to get it. But of course, I'm always hesitant and nervous. I don't know why I get that way. It's just my way of preparing for the worst, I guess. So, but it should all be good. And we got a really, really good deal on it. I don't think people realize, or these people realize, exactly what they have in their hands, because we're getting a really good deal. Huh, babe?
Yeah.
Chatterbox over there. She just talks too much sometimes. I just don't know what to do. See? It's so annoying.
What is it?
There she is. It's my new baby. And it's 7-passenger. You guys, this car has 1,000 miles on it. That's crazy, right? Oh, I'm so excited.
Yes.
It's so pretty. I love the color and the space. I didn't think it had You know, I thought it was going to be a squished 7-passenger, but there's actually enough room. Let me show you something. It's actually cold today. Okay, look. First, this pulls down. So then, look, there's actually some foot space back there. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it so much. Look, I accidentally matched my car. That was totally not on purpose. I have the tan leather and black on, just like my beautiful car.
The VIN number for the new vehicle is...
We're looking at, we had several meetings scheduled, and then, like, at some point, somebody can't make it. And so we had to cancel the 2 different ones. We're looking we're not. But that's kind of the problem, because the person who was supposed to have been in this last time.
They got changed. That coffee shop was so cool. A little pricey, but to me, it's well worth it for a good cup of coffee. They have like a really small selection of what you can order. Sorry, the sun is behind me, so it's like lighting me up. Very strange. They have a small selection of what you can order, and I ordered I just got a mocha. I usually like getting white mochas, but they didn't have white mocha. So I got just a mocha and a coffee cake, and it was amazing. And it was $6. Well, it's honestly not too bad considering I got a coffee cake, so that's not too bad. You know, back in Washington and Idaho, you can find coffee shops like that everywhere, no problem. Here they're kind of far and in between. Like Starbucks is always my last resort. I like Starbucks, but I just prefer a coffee shop. But even Starbucks here there's not very many. So, yeah. Miss you, Seattle. It's so typical. Of course I did a piss sign. Oh, what's the matter with me? Of course I did a peace sign. We're a bunch of hippies in Seattle. It is like not even time to go inside the God, why can't I get a train of thought? It's not even close to my appointment time, so like I have nothing to do right now. And like nothing's open because it's 9:30. So like these cool little shops down here aren't even open yet until 10. My salon doesn't even open until 10. So I'm like, what do I do? What to do? What to do? The salon, it's a lot darker, but I think I like it because I don't know, you guys know I'm kind of crazy about my hair. I always say I like it, then I don't like it, then I like it, then I don't like it. It's always so, you know, because it's a big change. So I'm heading back to the car now, and I think she did a great job coloring, but it's just going to take me some time to get used to the deeper color. Now I'm heading into JCPenney and to see what they have for dresses. I've already tried on dresses at Dillard's and Ross. They didn't have anything at Ross, but I tried Dillard's like 2 weekends ago, and I couldn't find it.
We don't know.
Watch, because they're gonna cook it. Look at that. That's how hot that is, bub. See how fast the water boils? Isn't that crazy? Keep watching.
That's so fast.
Keep watching. It's gonna get cool. Good.
That's one.
Look at that. He's like a ninja. doesn't do that when she's cooking, huh?
Whoa, how did you do that?
Pretty cool. Watch.
Yeah, okay, I'm sorry. The quotas are out.
Look at the smiley
I
face.
ain't smiling.
Yeah, watch this. Watch this.
Yeah,
Watch
watch
your
your
face.
face. Move back.
Watch your face.
Gonna go up.
You ready, buddy?
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
That's cool.
Look at it.
Look at that. Did it make you nervous?
She plucked her ear.
Plug her ears.
My last one here.
Isn't that neat? Look at all that rice they're gonna cook for us. You like rice?
Not that kind.
Yeah, but it's good.
Is it going to
It's the
be
same.
that hot again?
Oh, it's all hot.
No, you won't. There won't be fire like that again. You can just watch now, but just watch.
That's not like that hot thing.
It made me nervous too. What do you think, Chloe?
Is that? I got a fork too. If you get bored, if you have a fork. Yeah, eating with chopsticks.
You want to use it?
There's this different one.
Okay. Look at that, it's a volcano.
See how you touched it? Wow.
It's just a little one. I'm not scared of this fire.
You're not scared of this fire?
No, not this one.
The big one.
No, me too. Look at it smoking so bad. Plugging her ears.
Lava.
Lava. Here's lava, Bob. You put lava in it.
Oh man, watch this sonar. Right there. Coming though. I don't know when it's coming, but it should be coming now.
Oh, there it is. See that?
Under camera.
Oh, you like that?
Yum.
When he gets more of that, they're gonna stop. Look.
Tomorrow you're only supposed to do 56, really?
Like,
Oh, that's gonna be nice. 56 Monday, sunny though. 63 Tuesday, 68 Wednesday, sunny. Those are nice sunny days.
Mom, I found something.
Oh, a hanger. Look, so we have flour. You wanna come pick it?
Also, do you want to come pick that up?
Open your door. I do this.
Like that? How does it smell? I don't know. Hey, let me smell.
I'm recording. We're on a walk.
Did
With
you
these
get your
kitties.
flour?